Okay, today we're going to be working on my 2006 Chrysler Town & Country touring minivan that I use for my Cruzin and DJ car shows. Later on I'll show you the inside. It's all set up with my DJ equipment and wires and cables and speakers and so forth, but that's for later. Okay, first we're going to take off this wheel to get at the motor mount, because that's what we're going to do today. We're going to put a new motor mount on this side, which is the driver's side. First we're going to take the cap off. Then we have air. I have to get the air hose here. And my air gun. And these lug nuts are 3/4 inch. So we got a 3/4 inch socket on a 1/2 inch drive. There we go. Done with taking the tire off, we have to take the inner fender section off in the front here, and we're just going to leave that hanging down. We don't have to take the whole thing off, just part of it. So let me go get a little container for bolts, screws, and so forth. See if we can get that off now. Well, are you kidding me? I don't remember. Well, we get the breaker bar, but I thought for sure that I put these lug nuts on and I would have torqued them, and this air gun goes up to I think 125, 135 pounds, something like that. So I think I guess I get to try out my new breaker bar that I just bought. I broke the other one I had, and they replaced it, but this one's a little longer. The other one was only, I think, 18 inches, and this one is 2 feet. So, we'll see. Should be able to get it loose. There we go. Now we should be able to get it off with the air gun. Alrighty. I always always figure a way out to do something. There we go. Okay. Oop, come back here. Alright, Fed. Come back here. Alright, that takes care of that. Alright, next thing we're going to do is we're going to take off this inner fender shield, whatever they call it, inner fender. It's got a couple of screws here, 2 screws. We'll just take those off real quick, and we'll add those to the little cup with the lug nuts. They're just Phillips screws, nothing big deal here. Not a big deal. Okay, that takes care of that. Let's see, we can disconnect this once we get this out. So we get these 2 plastic, I don't know what you call them. Get those 2 out of there. There's one. Sometimes you can't always get these out. You have to cut them off. Yeah. Sometimes they're just stuck in there. Yeah, that one I'll probably have to just chop that one off. Alright. I'll go get something to get that off with. Let's try it one more time here. Yeah, it's not gonna come off. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Alright. It's not gonna come off, so we'll cut it off. Okay. Got a pair of side cutters, hopefully that'll work. Yep, there we go. And I have some new ones of these. Because you always end up ruining those things. Alright, so now we're going to take this out of here. The reason we're taking this down is because, see, there's a connection here. But I don't think we're going to mess with that. We're just going to get it out of the way. Alright, the reason we're taking that down is because we need to get at this hole here. And because there's a bolt that goes all the way through the motor mount that we need to get through. Alright, so that does it for this side right here right now for a while.